Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullaku. See, this problem is very important problem. Parabolic equation using Smith method iteration I will use. See, find the solution of the parabolic equation uxx minus ut is equal to 0 given boundary conditions. Again, I told you for doing one-dimensional equation we required three conditions. U of 0 comma t and a draw starting position is 0, ending position 0. On x-axis u of x comma 0 x into 4 minus x, assuming h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. So he is telling mesh size you can assume h is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. In y direction, not y direction, t direction is height is 1, in x direction is 1. Now from this you see x how much I will travel, what length I can see. Maximum x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, this end boundary. X is equal to 4 means what? 0. So length is what? Rod length is 4. 1 unit you can take. T you can travel any time, but while doing the computer program what you will do? Program you will fix the previous value, this value same means you will stop the program, you will get a stable you will get. But before stable getting already I told you if lambda is less than or equal to half only, this condition, this problem is not stable. Now okay, I will do given conditions everything okay. Now up to t how many values are given? Is telling t is equal to 5 values. X is equal to what? 4 values. X is I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2 because h is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is I value. I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. Here x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because okay. This is what? This is x axis, this is t axis. This is on this line boundary is what? U of x comma 0 is equal to x into 4 minus x. This x into 4 minus x, how can you write? IH, x values you can replace by ix. IH, then 4 minus IH. Here h is equal to 1. So, U of IH also you can write IH is equal to I into 4 minus I. Keep here. Now, this you can say I is equal to 0 means what? This value 0. I is equal to 1 means what? 1 into 4 minus 1, 3. This value is what? I is equal to 2 means what? 2 into 4 minus 2. 2 into 2, 4. This value is what? I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3 means what? 3 into 4 minus 1, 3. This is a 0. This bound is given. T is equal to 1, T is equal to 2, T is equal to 3, T is equal to 4, T is equal to 5. This t step value, t is equal to 0, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, t is equal to 3, t is equal to 4, t is equal to 5. But this is what in this condition what is given? U of 0 comma t. On t axis x is equal to 0. These all values are 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, 0, 0, 0. U of 4 comma t, x is equal to 4, different values of t, this is fully 0, these are all values. So this is already 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. These are the u values given, boundary condition, these are all values 0, this I got, this is given 0. Now I want to find out this value, 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 this value. My job is over. See, now I will attack. Now see the problem again, find the solutions of okay, I am rubbing this problem, keep in mind. Now slowly I will attack. What is this? I will go for this Smith rule, Smith iteration I will write. What is Smith iteration? Here given equation is what? Uxx is equal to ut. Smith equation is what? U I comma j plus 1 is equal to lambda into ui minus 1 comma j plus 1 minus 2 lambda into u I comma j plus lambda into u I plus 1 comma j. Now my aim is what? I want to find what is my lambda value. But lambda is equal to, who is lambda? Lambda is equal to k h square a. Here k is what? In time direction grid size. In h is what? In x direction grid size, length of the grid. Now we know a k is equal to 1, h is equal to 1. This equation is what? Uxx is equal to a into dou u by dou t. Just you can check the previous video, you will understand. So this is what? Everything 1, 1, 1, 1. Lambda is equal to 1. So it's a very good problem. What I told, if you want to do one-dimensional parabolic equation, Smith is what? Smith iteration, the lambda should be less than or equal to half. This is what? Lambda is equal to 1. It's not a stable. If you use computer program means what? It won't stop. It will going on values, different values will get. If you give one condition, give means what? For finding steady state, previous value, this value same means you can stop the program. It won't get stable values. It will run going on or it will give some error. Because it's not a stable. But you can ask, then okay, problem is unstable, then why are you asking this question? Why are you asking means, for you don't worry. They are asking to attack, you attack and give the solutions. Whether it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter. The problem, given problem is right or wrong. The given values, you can finding values are what are, they can find right values. So that is enough. Getting or not? What I am telling? Now okay. If you substitute lambda is equal to 1 means what I will get here? U I j plus 1 u I minus 1 comma j, 1 minus 2 is minus u I comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j. This is the iteration. From this what you understand? I want to find out I j plus 1 value means what? I minus 1 comma j, I comma j, I plus 1 comma j. This value plus this value minus this value. Getting or not? Now I will do see. For find, now completed or not? So you don't worry about ij values, just I will start game. To find this value, what I will do? This fellow plus this fellow minus this fellow. 0 plus 4 is what? 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Finding this value, this plus this minus this fellow. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. Finding this fellow is what? This fellow plus this fellow minus 4 plus 0. This value already 0. Minus 3, 1. Happily I got. Come this. Finding this what you will get? 0 plus 2 minus 1. 1. Getting or not? For getting this is what? This plus this minus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. For getting this is what? This plus this minus this value. 2 plus 1 minus. Any doubt? For getting this plus this minus this fellow. So minus 1. This is what? This plus this minus this. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 0, 2. For getting this is what? 0 plus 0 minus 1. Any doubt? Okay. For getting this is what? This plus this minus. So minus or minus plus. 0 plus 2 minus or minus 1 plus 1. So 3. This is what? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. For this plus this minus 1. 2 plus 0 minus half minus 1 plus 1. This is 3. For getting t is equal to 5 means what? This plus this minus 0 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. For getting this value, 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus of minus plus 4, 6 plus 4 10. Then getting this value, this plus this minus. Get it or not? No, where I am using IJ, something Smith rules, whatever maybe. Just start the game and attack. Understanding us? This is the way of doing. I hope you understand what I told. For finding this value is what? This plus this minus this. For finding this plus this minus this. For finding this plus this minus this. According to that formula. I want to get 2 means what? 1 plus 1 minus 0. Minus, here I want to get this value means what? 0 plus 0 minus 1. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe and be part of our service. Share and comment. Bye. We meet in next problem. Bye.